Hi, today I wanted to show a super minimal, no makeup look for those days where you just want to put in the bare minimum amount of effort to do your makeup. So I'm going to start by adding a bit of primer to my face. This doesn't really add to the look of makeup on my face since this is just a cooling, hydrating primer. So it's going to give my skin a nicer, dewier, natural look. I'm skipping foundation and only using concealer. I'm first going to go in with a small amount of corrector just to try and cancel out some of the darkness under my eyes. And once that's blended in, I go in with a concealer. And I use a beauty blender to blend in the concealer because I think that it gives the most natural look when you're applying complexion products. I used a very small amount of loose powder underneath my eyes just to set the concealer a bit. I think that when you're going for minimal makeup that looks very natural, cream products are the best to achieve that. So for highlight, I'm using this glossy highlight stick and applying it to the high points of my face. For my eyebrows, I didn't fill them in, but I still wanted to use a bit of tinted brow gel just to shape them. On my cheeks, I used a cream blush stick in a very natural color and just added a bit of that to my cheeks and blended it out. And for bronzer, I'm using a cream bronzer stick and applying a small amount of that to the edges of my face and underneath my cheekbones. I also used my bronzer stick to add a little bit of brown color in the outer corner of my eyes. I didn't want to actually line my lash line, but I did use a brown eyeliner to tightline my eyes just to make my lashes look a bit thicker but not make it look noticeable that I have a little bit of eyeliner on the inside. I took a bit more of my cream bronzer with a small brush just to add it on the outer edge of my lash line, keeping it very natural. You can almost barely tell that it's there, it just gives a little bit of definition to your eye shape. I dabbed on a little bit of my cream highlighter just to give the center of my lids a little bit of that dewy look. I curled my lashes and added a bit of mascara. And then to finish off the look, I added this tinted lip balm that gives a very subtle color to my lips and a little bit of shine. That finishes off this minimal makeup look. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.